Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up driver safety program with Drive Safe and Save. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up a driver safety program with Drive Safe and Save, begin by accessing the Drive Safe and Save website or app. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Safety Programs section. Select Driver Safety Program from the available options. Carefully review the program details, including features and benefits. Click on the Enroll Now button to start the enrollment process. Provide the necessary information about your vehicle and driving habits. Choose your desired coverage options that best suit your needs. Review the terms and conditions associated with the program. Confirm your enrollment by clicking on the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Next, download the Drive Safe and Save mobile app for easy access. Once the app is installed, log in using your account details. Set up location services to track your driving habits accurately. Familiarize yourself with the app's features, including tips for safe driving. Regularly monitor your driving scores and adjustments to take advantage of safety tips and resources provided within the program. Set reminders to review your driving data periodically to stay informed. Follow up with customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your driver safety program with Drive Safe and Save. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.